My dear students, a warm welcome and warm good morning to all to this some sort of inspiring. The topic here is Bina, how to set a goal and what to set and how to set a goal into achieving success and the success in your life. Okay? We have a specific criteria called SMART goals. We are going to check one by one what the acronym is referred to. Okay. First of all, I would like to invite you to a striking story in the story which is very exemplary and very powerful to your thought and very mind-blowing. The story is thus, we know, once upon a time a frog decided to reach the top of a tree. And this was a great wish of him. And his fellow frogs just shouted, impossible, impossible, impossible. But finally, the climax is that the frog just reached the top of the tree. But how? How was it possible? Can a frog just climb a tree? The answer is clearly no. But the answer is yes. The climax is that the frog was just a deaf. He can hear. So he didn't hear the shout of the fellow frogs. And he just thought that the frogs were just encouraging him to climb the tree. Okay? This is the positive side of never mind in the negatives from the fellows or the other friends. Okay? Just come to the SMART goals part. What is a goal? What is a goal? A goal is a clear statement of what you want to achieve. We know we have something to achieve in our life. That is the purpose of our life. Whatever it be, the career or educational purpose, whatever it be, or entertainment purpose, whatever it be, we must have a purpose in life. That is our goal. A goal is a clear statement of what you want to achieve. And we can split the goal into two types. One is the short-term goals and the second is long-term goals. Both have any slight difference, that is short-term goals is set for a short duration. We can achieve it within some weeks or within a year. And in the opposite, the long-term goals is set for the future or the farthest future or the nearly close future within 2 years or like that, which is very relevant in our career guidance also. Okay, we told the goal is two types: short-term goals and the short-term goals and the long-term goals. Okay. Short-term goals can be steps along the way to achieving a long-term goal. If I tell you what's your goal, you must be baffled to list out, but you would say, I have so many wishes. Okay, you have many wishes and you don't have a goal. Or you think that, what is the difference between wishes and goals? Or like that. Okay, there's the slight difference between goals and wishes. You must have wishes, but the goals have a dead end or deadline or a cutoff. That is the difference between wishes and or a goal. Whatever it be, we must be having some of the wishes. We must enlist all of them and filter them to to proceed according to a career or in any other fields. Okay, we have to understand why to set a goal. Setting goals is an essential part of growth and development in our life. We must check the setting goals is to build self-esteem, which means to set a goal is for the self-respect and the self-realization or to build a self-esteem about ourselves. We think we have a goal to achieve, we have a dream to achieve, we have a long way to achieve. This is why we get a self-esteem by this setting goal. And the next thing is the keep you focused. You must be focusing on a certain goal, or you must be focusing on a specific goal in your life. And the next thing is the help you identify what you want out of your life. This is the realization of what is your life's purpose, or the what is the goal of your life, or the what is the value of life. And this way, you are, by setting a goal, it helps you identify what you want out of your life. You have a short life in a life. You have a short duration, but in this specific duration, you have to identify what you want to achieve a goal, what you want to achieve in your life, and in such a way, that help you use your time and energy wisely. If we set a goal, or we prescribe a goal in our life, we know what to use your time and energy in a wise and powerful methodology. Okay, we can leave to the next the SMART goal criteria. To make a meaningful and effective goal, we can use the SMART goal criteria. Okay, the first one is yes, specific. Your goal must be specific. Or if you may have multiple goals, like to become a lawyer, along with to become a writer. In such a way, you may have multiple goals. No matter whatever, you have to make it specific, or make them specific, very specific. And the second thing is measurable, and the A, attainable, R for relevant, T refers to timely. Okay, we can step to the specific. What needs to be accomplished and what steps need to be taken to achieve it. We know we must be very specific and very clear on what to achieve and what to conquer. The specific thing to be accomplished and what steps need to be taken must be understood by your self mind and your self cognition. Okay, and who is responsible? You are the only and solely responsible for making it specific and achieving it. Okay, next, measurable. M refers to measurable. You must be, we told about short-term goals and long-term goals. In such a way, the goals must be measurable. When will you know when you have reached your goal? To know that, we must set a time setter, or we must set a duration to a goal. In such a way, you know when will you have reached your goal. Within a year, within 2 years, I will become a teacher, I will become a good writer. In such a way, everything. Setting clear benchmarks will allow you to track your progress. Set a decisive timeline to a step-by-step methodology to achieving a goal. In such a way, you ought to make your goals very measurable. The next thing is attainable. The goals must be very attainable. Is this a goal that you can responsibly achieve? If you are very weak in education and you want to achieve a profession in sort of that, but the clear thing is you can't deviate the field of your professor dream and to become a very good businessman. In such a way, is this a goal that you can reasonably achieve? your mind says you can achieve it, and you can take the leap to achieve it. What skills and experience do you have to complete this goal? And the specific skills and experience clearly matters to achieve a goal and to complete this goal. Try to strike a balance between challenging and realistic. It means you must be very close to you must be very close to achieving the goal in such a way the goals must be attainable and achievable. And the R is relevant. Why are you setting this goal? You must think, why are you setting this goal? Will achieving that help you now or in the future? You must think about it. You must spend some time to think about this. Why are you setting this goal, and will achieving help you now or in the future? Think about the whole picture. Your goal should be motivating, not frustrating. We can next timely. When will this goal start and end? We said that the goals must have a deadline and cut off, and within this specific duration, we must be capable to achieve our goal. Set both an endpoint and checkpoints throughout it. We must prepare a deadline and a step-by-step timeline to this goal. And incremental deadlines can help you stay on track. Whatever be this SMART goals criteria, is very useful to achieving goal. Wish you all to have a good goal or multiple goals, and wish you in the future you are going to achieve a goal. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.